Hello, good morning, and good afternoon, fellow crafters. We have made it to week 7, lucky 7 of our virtual summer reading program. This week, we are talking about marine mammals, and the craft is really, really fun. I had a blast putting this one together. So what you have there in front of you in your envelope marked week 7, you will have 3 pieces of construction paper. You will have blue for the water, you will have tan for the sand at the bottom, and you will have green to create some fun ocean plants at the bottom. And you will have a wooden dowel and one very, very cute dolphin. So what you will need at home, of course, we are definitely going to use some recycled materials on this one. You will need a box. I used a tissue box because it was set up perfectly and I didn't have to cut it at all, because you have got this nice opening on one end, and then of course you've already got the opening at the top where you pull the tissues out. So if you're not using a tissue box, if you want to use perhaps a shoe box or just something else maybe that you've ordered from Amazon, and some of those small boxes are ideal for that as well. But should you not be using a tissue box, you will just cut out a portion of the bottom and then a slit along the top, because that's where the dolphin's gonna pop out, guys. So here you go. You have a diving dolphin. It's so cute. And it's fairly simple to put together. Once you have all of your openings cut out of it, you will just take your blue construction paper, and of course what I did to make it a little bit easier is I just laid my paper right along each section and traced around it so I knew exactly what size I needed for that particular bit of my box. And then I just glued it down, and then I kind of drew this little wavy bit at the bottom to look like the sand at the bottom, and then I drew some plant life and cut those out and glued those on top. You will cut out your dolphin, glue it to your stick, and your dolphin is ready for some diving fun, my friends. You will also have, of course, this handy dandy instruction sheet should you get confused along the way. I can't wait to see how yours turn out. If you make a super cute one, pretty please, with a dolphin on top, make sure you add that in the comments at the bottom of this post. We really, really would love to see them. I hope you guys have been having as much fun as I have during our virtual summer reading program, and we will see you next week, which is the last week. So be ready for week 8. See you then.